The best carrot raisin salad with creamy dressing you'll ever try. Who knew something so simple could taste this good? Carrot raisin salad with creamy dressing is the ultimate combination of sweet, tangy, and refreshing. It's crunchy, creamy, and just a little bit indulgent. Whether you're making it for a family meal, a summer cookout, or a quick weekday lunch, this salad is about to become your new favorite side dish. At first glance, it may seem like just another salad, but trust me, this is different. The natural sweetness of carrots pairs perfectly with juicy raisins, while the creamy dressing ties everything together with a rich, tangy kick. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen. What you'll need: 4 cups shredded carrots, about 5 to 6 medium carrots, 1 cup raisins, ½ cup mayonnaise, or Greek yogurt for a lighter version, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional but highly recommended, ½ cup crushed pineapple, drained, for extra juiciness and flavor, 1/4 cup chopped pecans or walnuts, optional, but adds a delicious crunch. This recipe makes enough for 4 to 6 people, but you might want to double it, it disappears fast. How to make it? In a large bowl, combine the shredded carrots and raisins. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, or Greek yogurt, honey, apple cider vinegar, salt, and cinnamon until smooth. Pour the dressing over the carrot and raisin mixture and toss until everything is well coated. Gently fold in the crushed pineapple and nuts if using. Let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Pro tips for the best carrot raisin salad: use fresh, crisp carrots. Shred them yourself for the best texture, pre-shredded ones from the store tend to be too dry. Soak the raisins. If your raisins are a bit dry, soak them in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes before adding them to the salad. This makes them plumper and juicier. Balance the flavors. If you like it sweeter, add a bit more honey. If you prefer more tang, a splash more vinegar will do the trick. Customize it. Not a fan of nuts? Leave them out. Want an extra pop of flavor? A handful of shredded coconut takes this salad to another level. What's your favorite twist on this classic salad? Share your thoughts in the comments below.